The 2026 Volvo V60 T6R in Pebble Gray is a stunning blend of Scandinavian luxury, sporty performance, and practical wagon design, built for drivers in the United States who want something unique beyond the usual SUVs. From the very first look, this performance wagon stands out with its sharp LED headlights, aggressive front grille, sculpted hood, and sleek aerodynamic body lines. The Pebble Gray color gives this V60 a premium and modern appearance, making it look elegant yet powerful on every road. At the front, the signature Thor's Hammer LED daytime running lights create a bold and futuristic identity. The sporty R-design styling adds larger air intakes, black trim accents, aggressive bumpers, and premium alloy wheels that enhance its muscular road presence. From the side, the long roofline and smooth curves make the V60 both sporty and practical. At the rear, stylish vertical LED taillights, dual exhaust outlets, and a performance-inspired diffuser complete the premium wagon look. Inside, the 2026 Volvo V60 T6R offers a luxury-focused cabin with high-end materials and advanced technology. Premium leather seats, soft-touch dashboard surfaces, brushed aluminum accents, and ambient lighting create a sophisticated interior. The front seats are highly supportive and designed for long-distance comfort. The spacious rear seating area provides excellent legroom and headroom, making it ideal for families or road trips. The center of the cabin features a large touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, voice controls, and premium audio quality. A fully digital driver display provides speed, safety alerts, and driving information. Wireless charging, USB-C ports, panoramic sunroof, dual-zone climate control, and smart keyless entry add modern convenience.
Under the hood, the 2026 Volvo V60 T6R is expected to feature a turbocharged and supercharged 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with mild hybrid support, producing around 340 horsepower. Paired with an advanced automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system, this wagon offers quick acceleration, confident grip, and smooth highway stability. The performance tuning gives it strong cornering ability while still maintaining everyday comfort. Safety remains one of Volvo's strongest features. The V60 T6R includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera, collision avoidance, automatic emergency braking, rear cross traffic alert, and advanced driver assistance systems designed for maximum confidence. Cargo space is another strong point. With foldable rear seats, the V60 offers excellent storage capacity for luggage, shopping, or travel gear, making it practical for daily life and weekend adventures. In the United States market, the 2026 Volvo V60 T6R Pebble Gray is expected to start at around $58,000 to $65,000, depending on trim level, performance package, and optional luxury features. The 2026 Volvo V60 T6R is more than just a wagon. It combines performance, luxury, safety, and practicality into one stylish machine. For drivers who want a refined yet sporty alternative to oversized SUVs, this Volvo delivers premium comfort with thrilling capability.